I'm not perfect, and I don't claim to be. I have insecurities, I get jealous, I overthink everything. I have trust issues, and some days I don't think I'm good enough. That's who I am. I'm not afraid to admit it. But at the same time, I am amazing in many ways, too. I have a huge heart with a lot of scars, a soul that's been through hell and back. Not every day is my best. Some days I mess up, but I learn from them. I want to grow and be the best version of myself. Life is a journey, and it's okay to have flaws and imperfections. They make me who I am, and I embrace both the struggles and strengths that shape my character. I'm a work in progress, constantly evolving, and I believe that self-awareness and the willingness to learn and grow are the keys to becoming a better, more resilient person. So, remember, it's all right not to be perfect. It's more important to be real and to strive for personal growth and self-improvement. Embrace your imperfections as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. We're all beautifully imperfect in our unique ways, and that's what makes us human.